Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Right after the holidays we return back to the discussion of the forex markets, and today we will take a look at the euro currency. The situation on the euro currency is not really simple, and today we will try to resolve this complexity. This is in general, the complexity comes not into some difficult treated patterns or something of that sort. It just is a possible consequence of the action. Because by holding here, we will explain what we mean a bit later. But just in 2 words, the holding here in this area market keeps valid and possible opposite scenarios. And depending on how market will act in the current week and maybe on the next week, it will put the direction for longer period action. So on the daily chart, first of all, recall what we have said on the weekly research. By taking a look at the monthly and weekly chart, we said that on the monthly chart, market stands at the oversold. Its significant target, its significant extension is 105, is the really big extension of the very big leg on the upside. So this is in fact the extension of the butterfly, but the shape of the butterfly is not really as it should be. But the extension, the target of the, as we said, of the swing of this butterfly is very significant. So you could check the weekly research that we have prepared on the recent week, and there is a very clear, we have indicated and showed this on the chart what we mean. So anyway, 105 is very strong support. At the same time, CFTC report shows that market is overextended to the downside. It's really the huge domination of the bearish position. The bearish positions takes approximately the 86% of the whole positions. That's really stand very crucial numbers when the market just can't continue move action because nobody stands on the long side and just no sellers. No new sellers exist and the market just can't move lower, and that needs to be corrected. So it has to turn to some retracement. That's the background of our thought. But to start this retracement, probably we need some pattern, and this pattern should be extended on the daily chart. On the monthly chart we could see just the starting of the retracement, but usually when retracement starts on the monthly chart, it begins with some clear pattern, reversal pattern on the daily chart. So follow the conclusions that we make after each moment. That's important. Right now, if you'll take a look at the recent comments of the investors, they start to think skeptically on the bearish impact on the recent NFP report. So they said that yes, that was the poor numbers, but probably not very wise to make the far-going consequences based on just one report. Besides, the industry report on the on Monday was really good, so it shows that the pace of the economy is holding on the upside. Also, wages were not really bad, even on the non-farm payrolls numbers. So they mostly gravitates to treat this negative poor report as just some occasion. So it's not just some trend, but just one poor number among the long chain of the positive numbers. It makes us think that market really could turn to the downward action again. And here we comes to technical picture. So take a look. So market, initially we thought that on Monday and Tuesday market will take it out of this top, but the target will be somewhere in this area. So market will complete A, B, C bottom 618 extension, will reach the resistance. That's also the you can see weekly pivot resistance 1, daily average band, and we said yes, market probably will show the wash and rinse and then turn to some retracement. And that was the first stage of our trading plan. But take a look what has happened. Yes, market has shown this upward action on Friday, but on Monday it has opened higher and has created the dark cover pattern, dark cloud. So you can see this not engulfing, but since market has opened with the gap, it was allowed market to create another really rare pattern on the forex, because market is 24/7 trading market and really forms gaps very very rare. But this one case, you can see that market has formed this dark cloud cover. That's reversal pattern on the daily time frame chart. It suggests some downward action. But what is more important, take a look that market hasn't taken off that top. What does it mean? It means that one of the possible scenarios here is the appearing of the big butterfly buy on the daily chart. Okay? And what is more interesting is that this butterfly really could become the reversal pattern for retracement that we have discussed on the possible monthly chart. That's important. But why we in the beginning of this video we said that's a bit complex analysis. But the crucial moment here is the taking out of these lows for appearing of this butterfly, and in general that's in fact the break-even point, the edge between the possible bullish scenario and bearish. Bearish I mean in the daily time frame chart. So appearing of this butterfly, downward continuation. In general, this butterfly will have the bullish setup since it will be upside reversal pattern. But I mean bearish in terms of the possible downward continuation here. Why this low is so important? Because take a look, that market at the same time could form butterfly sell. So for example, market will show just a minor bounce here and turn to the upside again and continue move higher. It could form the butterfly either to the upside. We do not know what will happen. What if market will form? What if the next data on the United States will bring us again new negative numbers? It's very easy. It could turn to the upward action. And take a look. The 1618 extension of this butterfly coincides approximately with this A, B, C, D pattern. Okay, so we can't exclude this totally. That's why in the current circumstances we need to watch for two major points. The first major point is right here, this top. If market will take it out of this, we will not get the butterfly to the downside. And these lows, if we will take it out of these lows, we will not get the upside butterfly. That's why in the nearest term perspective, I mean in perspective of the couple of weeks, we probably will get the final direction for the longer period. I hope that's not really messy. Sounds not really messy. In general, this not really very complex, but market really keeps well at a lot of different scenarios. Right now, today, tomorrow, and probably till the end of the week, what we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. Recall that this is the cloud cover pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart. In fact, we have right now in place the bread and butter buy pattern. So we have thrust up, close below the 3x3, and hitting of the significant support, 3-8 support, right at the weekly pivot point. So you could use different reaction points. So if we will take the major reaction point right from these lows to this top, you will get here the 3-8 support. While if you'll take a look, for example, this point where the really upward action has started, you probably will get the 50% level. That's not really significant. The more significant is that here we have the bread and butter in place. What does it mean? It means that market has the chance to show some minor retracement here, probably in an area of 109.90. So approximately 60 pips higher market could move as to reach the target of this bread and butter. So if you would like to take the long position here, and you will try to take if you think that market really could continue move higher, because guys, although market has formed a pattern, the one thing that we do not like is that market hasn't hit the 618 target, and in fact it stands just few pips lower below this target. So this is not even extended target. That's really minor target of this ABCD. And taking into consideration these accelerations, the chances of reaching this target is not really small. It really could happen. That's why market still currently has chances. And if you have the bullish view, that's in fact the last chance, at least right now, to take the long position, because as you have the pattern in place, this really just a big better chances to get some upward action, move your stop to the break even, and hope that market will grab the stops above the stop and will complete this ABCD pattern. Okay. That's the possible setup right now. So if you would like to take the bearish position and you think that market will form this one and turn to the downside, it's really not really time to do this. One thing when you could do this, if market will complete this ABCD right at the very bottom, you will probably will have the reason to take the short. At least in the market will start to respond this resistance, you could move to stop to the break even. But in fact, your crucial point, if you would like to take the short position, these lows. So if market will take these lows, that will give you the confidence that market will continue move lower. Because by the taking of these lows, market will erase all bullish patterns and setups that right now are still valid. So you can see situation is not really simple, and it's really tricky right now on the euro currency, but still it's really interesting. That's our position. Besides this bread and butter that we have right now on the forward time frame chart, if market will start to form this butterfly, who knows? Maybe upward action will start from this area, and market will form just very small right wing. We do not know. Anyway, existence of the bread and butter setup led us to move stops to break even, since market has not a bad probability of respect of this area with the minor bounce at least out of this level that will let us to put our stops to the break even. If even we will become wrong and market will return right back down, continue move lower, this will just minimize our possible risk. So currently we have this shadow opportunity for phantom opportunity for trading on the long side of the market, while currently we do not have any setups and reasons to take the shorts. At least we do not have clear patterns that will let us to accept maybe this engulfing, dark cloud cover pattern, and the existence of this uncompleted ABCD target really creates significant risk of the taking shorts position. That's why we think that it's better to take short either when the market will complete this extension or when the market will take it out to these lows. That will be just the safer. So that's all on the euro currency. Let's see. Let's monitor the progress here, since it really could be very important.